Have you ever wondered why two people with almost the same income can end up with completely different financial futures? One quietly builds wealth year after year, while the other keeps living paycheck to paycheck. The difference usually isn't luck or a much bigger salary. It's the financial rules they choose to follow. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about wealth building and personal finance. If you're someone who wants to grow your money, build long-term wealth, and avoid common financial mistakes, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most middle-class families work incredibly hard, but many unknowingly follow money habits that keep them from becoming truly wealthy. Today, let's look at 5 wealth rules that successful investors understand and why ignoring them can cost you years of financial progress. Rule number 1. Buy assets before liabilities. Many people celebrate buying a new car or upgrading their lifestyle after getting a raise. Wealthy people often do the opposite. They use extra income to buy assets like index funds, businesses, or real estate that have the potential to grow in value or generate income. Assets put money into your future. Liabilities usually take money out of it. Rule number 2. Pay yourself. First, most people spend first and save whatever is left. Wealth builders reverse that process. The moment they receive a paycheck, they automatically move a portion into savings or investments before spending anything else. Even a small amount invested consistently can grow significantly over time. Rule number 3. Stop chasing quick money. Social media is full of promises about getting rich overnight, but real wealth is usually built slowly through patience, consistent investing, and smart financial decisions. Fast money often disappears just as quickly. Slow wealth tends to last. Rule number 4. Protect your biggest asset. Your greatest financial asset isn't your house or your investment account. It's your ability to earn income. Improving your skills, learning new opportunities, and investing in your education can increase your earning potential for decades. Rule number 5. Think long-term. Most people focus on next month. Wealthy people think about the next 10, 20, or even 30 years. Every smart investment, every dollar saved, and every good financial decision becomes more powerful when time is allowed to do its work. Here's what most people don't realize. Building wealth isn't about making one brilliant decision. It's about making hundreds of good decisions consistently. Start investing early. Avoid unnecessary debt. Live below your means. Keep learning. Stay patient. Small actions repeated for many years create extraordinary results. The middle class doesn't stay middle class because they aren't smart. Many simply never learn these wealth rules. The good news is that every one of them can be learned starting today. If you found this video valuable, subscribe for more practical videos on investing, personal finance, and wealth building. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.